Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So this is the second part of our absolute values videos. At the end of this video, you should be able to define modulus x equals a and solve linear equations. By basic definition of modulus, when we are about to get rid of the modulus, or simply said, to open the modulus, modulus a is just positive a and negative a. So if I have modulus x equals a, it just means that x equals a and x equals negative a. One positive value and one negative. Then, if I have modulus x equals 3, it just means that if I about to open the modulus, x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. As simple as that. To solve linear equation of absolute values, or modulus linear equation, I divide them into two cases. So first cases, when I have right hand side is constant, which is constant means a number, any number on my right hand side. So we are going to open the modulus by our basic definition that we learned just now. So we're going to have one positive and one negative at our right hand side here. Okay, so first step, just copy everything but without the modulus. So you see there is positive 3 here. Next step, still copy everything, but this time round, put negative on our right hand side. So this is what I meant by basic definition, applying basic definition. 3 on right hand side, 1 positive and 1 negative. Okay, so solving it. On the first part, we will get x equals 8. On the second part, we will get x equals 2. So our answer is just 8 and 2. On our next example here, I have 2 plus modulus x minus 6 equals 10. We cannot open the modulus yet because we need to make sure we have only modulus on the left hand side. So remember, make sure only modulus on left hand side, nothing else. Okay, so we need to rearrange and bringing 2 to the other side. So we get modulus x minus 6 equals 8. So now we can open the modulus as usual. Open the modulus, one positive 8 and the other one is negative 8. Solving the first part, we get 14. Solving the second part, we get negative 2. So our final answer is just x equals 14 and x equals negative 2. Moving on to my second case here, where after I rearrange, leaving only modulus on left hand side, I have linear, or I have a function with x to the power 1 on my right hand side. Okay, so we are going to open the modulus as usual, like this, and on the negative part, make sure you put bracket here like this, so the negative will affect everyone for 2x plus 4. Solve it. For the first part, we will get x equals 9. For the second part, we open the bracket, solve them, and we get x equals 1 over 5. So why I put this as my second case? Because whenever I have x at my right hand side, we need to do a recheck. I'm sure you're already familiar with this recheck. So our original question is modulus 3x minus 5 equals 2x plus 4, meaning my left hand side is the modulus and my right hand side is 2x plus 4. I need to make sure whenever I substitute my value of x, which are 9 and 1 over 5, I need to make sure that my left hand side value is equal with my right hand side value. If it is not equal, I will reject that value of x. Okay? Let's see. When I substitute 9 in my left hand side, I will get modulus 27 minus 5, which is modulus 22. By definition, it is just 22. And when I substitute x equals 9 in my right hand side, I will get 18 plus 4, which is 22 as well. Is it the same? Yes. My left hand side is equals to right hand side. So 1 over 5. For x equals 1 over 5, if I substitute to my left hand side, so pressing calculator, I will get a negative 22 over 5. By definition, this is just 22 over 5. And substituting 1 over 5 to my right hand side, okay, so I will get 22 over 5 as well. So is my left hand side equals to my right hand side? Yes. So I will accept both of them as my answer. So solution, x equals 9 and x equals 1 over 5. This is an exercise. I leave it for you so you can understand better on how to open the modulus. First, you need to ask yourself, do I need to rearrange so that you leave only modulus on your left hand side? Next, do I need to recheck? Recheck means if only you have x on your right hand side. Okay? So, take care guys. Bye.